right, boys and girls, here we are with November Day 1 Daily Math. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to put your name on the top. And number 1, how many minutes are in 1/4 of an hour? All right, 1/4 of an hour. A lot of times we think of quarters as 25 cents, right? A little bit different on a clock. So if you could imagine, there's a spot here, a full line that goes up and down that way, and a full line, that goes side to side. So one that goes from 12 to 6, one that goes from 9 to 3, and you can see we have split our clock into 4 equal pieces now. So 1/4 of that would be from the 60 to the 15, right? So how many minutes? 5, 10, 15 minutes. All right. The next one says, fix the mistake. 769, we break that into expanded form. We have 769 and 9. Well, to fix that, we'd have to change the 69 into just 60, because that would be our expanded form. We'd have 700 plus 60 plus 9. All right, number 3, write this number using numerals. So how many hundreds do we have? 1, 2, so there's 200. And then how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number would be 264. All right, a little multiplication here. It says write a multiplication equation for this array. So we can count our dots down, 1, 2, 3. And we can count them across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times 5, if you did the across first and went 5 times 3, that's fine too. 5, 10, 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. They're 15 either way, so 3 times 5 is 15. All right, pies sold at Pablo's Bakery in November. And you can see there's pumpkin, apple, pecan, cherry, lemon, and chocolate. Are one of those your favorite? Ooh, I could probably pick a couple. I don't know if I could just do one. How many more pumpkin pies were sold than cherry? So we're going to compare pumpkin pies with cherry pies, okay? And we know there's more pumpkin pies than cherry because 58 is bigger than 29. So we're trying to find the difference in how many more. So we're going to come over here and let's do a subtraction problem. 58 minus 29. So there's more on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. And bring our 1 over to make it 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Fast double, right? And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So 29. And 29 is fine. There's just not enough room in there. If you really wanted to, you could put 29 more pumpkin pies. 29, we could take that. There just isn't enough room for you, okay? All right, so boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow.